One of the main advantages of Ryobi's rechargeable air blower is its powerful yet quiet brushless motor. Compared to gas-powered models, it's 83% quieter even so. It delivers an airflow of up to 80 meters per second, strong enough to blow away not only dry and wet leaves, but also packed grass, and if the job takes a while, that's no problem, you can load two batteries at once. Giving the blower a runtime of more than 2 hours, the price is $600. This tool is a favorite among arborists, since it's great for transplanting trees. Using compressed air, it removes soil without harming even the thinnest roots. You won't need a shovel anymore. And it's not just precise, but also fast in 10 minutes. It clears half a cubic meter of soil as if by magic. It's called AirSpade 5000 and sells for $1,630. The rolling dog holder priced at $4 is a 3-in-1 product. It lets you open a paint can, carry it with one hand, and keep the brush in place. If you're into cycling, give this video a like. Here's a rechargeable Bosch pressure washer. It's compact, easy to carry with one hand, offers for spray patterns, and has 8 pressure settings with a maximum of 20 bar. In other words, when used correctly, you won't have to worry about damaging sensitive bike components or accidentally washing off grease. On top of that, it's great for rinsing your gear or even doing the dishes at camp. A level of versatility that's hard to beat. The washer is priced at $229. The creators of Any Dust set out to raise $20,000, but they ended up with 10 times that amount. That's how much people wanted this product, and it's easy to see why. Any Dust is the world's first dust extractor that doesn't need filter replacements or maintenance. Air currents swirl cleverly inside, causing debris to stick to the walls and fall into 2 separate containers, one for larger and one for finer waste. Cleanup now takes just minutes, leaving you extra time to play with the mobile app that controls the system. The price starts at $22. The rechargeable Grabo high-flow suction cup combines lightweight with impressive strength. It weighs about 3 kg, but can lift up to 100 kg. That kind of performance earns respect for the Grabo engineers and justifies its hefty price of $600. A bonus feature is the ability to display pressure in either side or bar on the downside. The battery life is only about half an hour. This hose reel from Einhell can hold 30 meters of hose, which comes included in the set and is priced at $239. Concrete screed filler, even liquid plastic. Nothing is a problem for the Colomix XQ series mixers. They deliver excellent results even in the hands of a beginner. The secret lies in a system that reduces speed, control, and mixing time to a single button. The most powerful model, the Colomix XQ6, has a capacity of 90 liters and costs $893. K1 is like a superhero among vices. It impresses not only for its unusual design, featuring multiple contact points, but also with its ability to stop automatically. Thanks to a pressure sensor, the system works so well that you can even trust it to hold glass objects. And if you don't want to rely on automation, you can always control the jaws manually. For cases where the jaws need to be spread apart for a more secure hold, it comes with special rubberized inserts that provide extra stability. Also useful is the built-in bubble level. Device runs on a built-in 10,000 mAh battery. Finally, it's worth noting that the most basic version of the K1, the aluminum model with a working range of 55 millimeters, sells for $179. To make the installation of hybrid and epoxy adhesive anchors, Go Smoothly Hilti offers this rechargeable adhesive dispenser. It saves not only time but also material, since it remembers how much to apply when you pull the trigger. And lights up green once the injection is complete. On top of that, the Healthy Volume Calculator app gives professionals dosing recommendations. Another nice touch is that the dispenser also works with Healthy's fire-resistant foam. What a handy tool! The price is $309. Seven times faster than a brush. You can paint a 2.4x3-meter wall in just 10 minutes. The makers of the Flexio 15 sprayer clearly know how to win over customers. And speed isn't the only selling point. The sprayer is suitable for both indoor and outdoor work. It can handle primers and some stains, and it's 20% lighter than earlier versions. Thanks to the lock and go system, it's also easy to take apart for cleaning. The sprayer costs $140. And for anyone planning to paint something big like a fence, the included Wagner ice spray nozzle will be a pleasant surprise. The Volve AILS 6.5 is a cordless strip cutter that makes it easier to work with linoleum, vinyl, and PVC flooring. It's especially useful for preparing baseboards and stair coverings. The cutting width can be adjusted from 3 to 65 millimeters. For added comfort, the kit includes eye and ear protection, and for longer jobs, a second battery is provided. The cutter is priced at $2,593. The Pro 40 at ATEX is quite an interesting drill. First, it's lightweight. It's just 15 kg/second. It's compact, and third, it's pneumatic. That mix makes it a great choice for confined, explosion-prone areas such as drilling platforms. What can it do? It works with core bits up to 40 millimeters in diameter, and with twist bits up to 16 millimeters in diameter. The machine's secured with a strong magnet, while a mechanical fuse prevents accidental motor startup. The price of the Pro 40 at ATEX is available on request. The Plantech shovel costs only $32, yet it comes with two handles that distribute the load more evenly across the muscles when clearing snow. Multifunctional power is set to lead a new stage in the development of power tools, according to its creators. So what makes it special? One of its biggest advantages is a 24-volt electric motor. That makes the Multifunctional power twice as powerful as most similar portable tools on the market. Versatility is another focus. Multifunctional power drills cuts, polishes, and saws in short. It replaces several tools at once, and it does all this while staying compact. Weighing just 475 grams with a battery that lasts up to 3 hours. Multifunctional power is available for $79. The Tora Ultra Buggy E25 is an electric wheelbarrow built for construction, and it stands out for several reasons. It has a load capacity of 1,133 kg, runs for 8 hours without stopping, and best of all, it can spin in place. Add to that special non-marking tires, and you get a wheelbarrow that's perfect for indoor work. It's also fairly quick. It reaches 10 kilometers per hour going forward, and about 6.5 kilometers per hour in reverse. The price is around $28,000. This magnetic cutter is perfect for working with drywall panels. This accessory with a long name, Simpson Strong Tie Quick Drive Project Pro, saves a considerable amount of work time. It fits most cordless drills and drivers, and lets you use collated fasteners. Why does that matter? The manufacturers claim it lets you drive screws up to 4 times faster. Just imagine how much time you could save laying down a subfloor, for instance. On top of that, it's easy to use even for an inexperienced workers. The price is $110.